Oh my god, I gotta take a picture of this.
I hate you so much right now. I hate you.
I hate you.
What's the problem?
She told us to put it all in there. And then we put it in there. She's like, you're supposed to put it in half a cup at a time. And then we did that. And then she's like, but then you have to whip the butter first.
I think we should just dump it back in there. Except for that. Whatever you have.
That's good.
The official Aline moment of the day.
Oh no! Okay. We'll just ignore that.
The butter won't come on, man. James.
I said you're supposed to ignore that.
Which tip should we use?
That's not the question you ask when the frosting isn't even frosting yet.
So, it's good to be prepared.
We're not Boy Scouts.
I'm not either.
What?
You don't even know how to bake.
Is the sugar out yet?
Okay,
As
well.
much as it will go, yes.
Are we whipping it with the
With the
mixer
whipper?
or are we
mixer?
mix with the fork?
Fork then, if you're scared.
I don't know how it works.
I do.
The fork? You just kind of.
No, Joey. Oh, god damn you.
When it's whipped, I'll come back. What am I supposed to do? Hold it while you mix it?
Yes.
Yeah?
You don't actually have to. But standing over here shows solidarity. You care about me, don't you? As a friend?
You care you eat cupcakes.
I'm afraid.
For 30 seconds is what it says. Or until it's smooth. I don't know the difference.
I do. Okay. Now Joey, come here.
Half the powdered sugar, half a cup at a time.
Yeah, I choose them.
Whipping until it's fluffy.
Okay, I do need you. I need a spoon or something. Just any instrument. It doesn't need to be a spoon necessarily. Yeah, that works.
That was the milk. I'm getting my vitamin D.
Hold this.
Though, I don't know why it's vitamin
Good
D
blush
when it
16.
has more calcium.
They added vitamin D.
Okay, scrape down the sides.
Did you add more powdered sugar?
Oh, that was sad.
It's half a cup at a time.
It's just
Two
so
cups.
dusty. It needs-
2 cups. Did you get 2 cups in yet?
No, we've only got half a cup.
Okay.
We're trying to scoop.
Okay. Oh, baking's not very much fun.
Okay, next one. We're just gonna use it all, doesn't matter how much there is.
Yeah, it's probably the best.
Just dump it.
Whipping until fluffy.
No, I have to make sure it doesn't just be a powder cloud.
banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Watch me move. I'm a vagina?
More.
Oh my god. And then a cup and a half.
You know, it probably would be easier if we did use the half cup.
Probably.
Questioning that.
Okay, this is probably enough after this. Because we've already done this 3 times.
Have we?
Yeah.
That's worth a cup.
Okay, and the last one was basically a whole cup.
And then finally with the mixer on medium low, drizzle in the
Don't-
melted and cooled
That's too much.
taffy mixture. What are we talking about?
Don't start with the next step yet.
Okay, okay.
Let me get the rest down, and then you can just pour it. Part of that in.
Maybe we left too much room in there. Oh my god. Oh wait, no.
Shut up.
Toothpicks. I'm so tired. It's 2 a.m. I'm so tired. I never picked people. I want my mama. Oh, I should call her. I don't know if she made it to Utah or not.
Yeah, it's a little late. Did you make it yesterday?
Well, she left like 10 a.m.
What? That doesn't make it any better. Utah is only a few hours away.
Is it like 6?
No, I don't know. I just said no. I don't really know.
I'm so afraid. Joey, look out.
What? What? What?
Nothing.